Happy Tuesday, everybody. And wow, what a packed 24 hours we've had across crypto and traditional markets. Let's kick things off with the Fed because that's basically driving everything right now. The odds for a December rate cut just jumped to 94%. And Citi economists are already penciling in additional cuts for January and March, with Standard Chartered confirming they expect a 25 basis point cut this week. Meanwhile, there's a 77% chance the Supreme Court rules against Trump's tariffs, which could shake things up significantly. Speaking of Trump, he's making some interesting moves on the chip front, announcing the US will allow Nvidia H200 chip exports to China and that America will pocket 25% of the revenue from those sales. He also thinks China's going to ramp up trade with the US after his call with Xi, though he's not thrilled with Europe right now after they slapped a $140 million fine on X. Jim Cramer chimed in with his classic advice to own Nvidia and not trade it, and a White House advisor is teasing some huge positive economic news coming soon. On the crypto regulation front, top US bank CEOs are meeting with senators to discuss crypto market structure legislation, and the CFTC just launched a pilot program allowing Bitcoin as collateral in derivatives markets, which is pretty significant. Now let's talk Bitcoin accumulation, because it's absolutely wild right now. Michael Saylor's strategy just bought another 10,624 Bitcoin for $962.7 million, and he's out there meeting with sovereign wealth funds to pitch them on Bitcoin. A Pakistani minister says the government should be accumulating Bitcoin as a reserve. Japan's Metaplanet is issuing new stock to buy more, and Bernstein is calling this an elongated bull cycle. The UAE is really leaning in hard with their national security advisor calling Bitcoin a key pillar in future financing, Dubai Customs partnering with Binance for crypto payments, and an Islamic bank called Ruya teaming up with Fuse for Bitcoin trading. Binance also just secured full licenses in Abu Dhabi, so the institutional adoption story is getting louder by the day. Quickly on the macro side, China's annual trade surplus just hit a record $1 trillion. India cut rates to 5.25%, and Argentina's allowing banks to offer crypto services starting in 2026. Kalshi surpassed $20.4 billion in volume, and Ripple just closed a $500 million share sale at a $40 billion valuation. Over in altcoins, Bitmain made a massive move buying 138,452 Ethereum for $435 million, bringing their total holdings to over 3.8 million Ethereum worth $12.4 billion. BlackRock is pushing to add staked Ethereum to their ETF with a new SEC filing, and JP Morgan's CEO said stablecoins should work better for international payments, which feels like a quiet endorsement. Near Protocol just achieved 1 million transactions per second, which is pretty insane from a technical standpoint, and Hyperliquid linked USDC between Hypercore and HyperEVM for smoother cross-chain movement. Ondo got some good news as the SEC closed their investigation without any charges, and a Paradigm partner dropped a great reminder that the best time to build is when everyone's calling crypto a scam. That's your wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another full recap.